Hello everyone, today I want to tell you about how I created a bot with ChatGPT that will help us to create passive income and make our lives much easier. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to say a few words about the fact that the world of cryptocurrencies is full of scammers. The best and only way to save your money is to avoid suspicious transactions from other wallets and do not interact with unverified exchanges that work with your assets. Now that you've mastered the rules of asset safety, let's begin configuring our bot. The code for this bot operates on the principle of MEV, short for maximal extractable value. MEV involves the use of mempool and arbitrage strategies along with front running. It works with popular decentralized platforms on Ethereum like Uniswap, 1inch, etc. Simply, it means that someone creates a transaction with slippage and it goes into a mempool. It's a place where transactions are waiting to be processed and get into the blockchain. This ChatGPT's code scans the mempool, sees this transaction, checks if it can benefit from it, and if so, creates a transaction for the same amount, but with a higher gas price so that it passes first. And then resells this transaction at a higher price thanks to the slippage. This difference between the additional ether spent on gas and slippage is our profit. First of all, you need MetaMask. I'll leave a link in the description if you don't have it installed. Then, go to the Remix Ethereum. It's an official platform for creating smart contracts on Solidity language. This link is provided in the description too. Click the New File button and name the file whatever you want. I'm going to call it code.sol. Then, copy the code that I left in the description and paste it into the file that you created. If you're interested in how the code itself works, you can check that out. There are some comments about it below. The bot requirements are using more than one Ethereum because smaller amounts don't have enough slippage to make a profit. And basically, the more Ethereum the bot uses, the greater the profit it brings you. It's completely open source for audits and free for modifications as well. But in case of modifications, only you're responsible for its functioning. I have more than one Ethereum on MetaMask and it's connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. If you have it too, go to the compiler section to compile your bot. Best of all, to enable optimization, it can help to reduce gas spending in the future. Then click Compile code.sol. Navigate to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. If you didn't work with Remix before, just follow the instructions. In the Environment tab, choose Injected Provider MetaMask. If successful, you'll see the wallet connection, and after the connection, use the Deploy button. Now, I would definitely recommend using the aggressive option for gas to deploy the contract, because the difference in Ethereum is so small, but the transaction performs significantly faster. Now, we're waiting for our MEV code to deploy. Check the terminal and look for transaction message about deploying. Copy transactions hash and go to the Etherscan. As you can see, the bot successfully deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Click on the contract address of your bot in order to validate it on the Ethereum blockchain, and most importantly, allow your bot to establish connection with public mempools. We need to verify our contract. Check the contract address. It must be the same that you deployed. Then, select compiler type Solidity single file. Choose compiler version 8.25 commit. In the tab, type of open source license, choose MIT license. Click continue. Here, you can see the field that requests our code to recheck it and make open source. Paste the full source code that you deployed in the remix here. Then scroll a little down and choose yes in the optimizer switcher. It allows nodes to operate with our code faster. Complete the captcha and press verify and publish. Well, we've verified our smart contract and now have the full ability to use it. Click on your contract address. As you can see, now we have a green tick and our bot has the allowance to call, read and write functions. Go to the Write Contract tab. It's our main control panel of bot. Every button has its own function. Specify, balance Ethereum. Set the amount in Ethereum that the bot will use to front-run transactions. Start sends a command to start front-running and initiating transactions. Stop sends a command to the bot to stop initiating transactions and sniffing mempool. Before withdrawing funds, make sure that you stop the bot, as the funds can be in the front-run deal at the moment. Withdraw initializes transaction that sends funds from bot's balance back to your wallet. Before withdrawing funds, note that this function withdraws all assets from smart contracts balance. To continue work after withdrawing, you'll need to specify balance and start bot again. To start operating with our bot, click Read Contract. Here, you need to connect your wallet as the owner. Click Connect to Web3, confirm in MetaMask. Then click Key button. This option is needed for total security of our contract. Simplistically, anyone who wants to copy your wallet and operate with your bot like owner will not be able to do this, because he wouldn't know the API key that we're getting now. Please do not disclose it to anyone. After the generation of your personal API key, copy it, then press Write Contract and connect the wallet as well. Specify the amount of funds that you're going to use. I'll choose 2 Ethereum. Head over to the Start button and enter here your key, then click Write. Carefully compare the beginning of your key in the MetaMask and the field where you inserted it. This is one of the security measures that analyzes your wallet. If everything matches, confirm the transaction. Now, await of the confirmation of transaction. Bot successfully received 2 Ethereum for front-run trading, and the remaining amount still in my wallet. Now I want to track 12 and 24-hour yields. It's been a bit less than 12 hours since. Let's see what we've made on this. Refresh the Etherscan page. 0.64 Ethereum. Let's give it another 12 hours. After 24 hours in total, let's check the profit. Refresh Etherscan again. You can see I've made more than 1.1 Ethereum in only one day. Actually, it sounds like a really good result to me, and these earnings are full passive income. Now, let's make withdraw to get my ethers back to the wallet. First, you must use the stop function. Set the gas price to aggressive and confirm transaction. After it's successfully confirming, click withdraw button. Set gas to aggressive too and confirm. Wait until transaction has passed. As you can see, I've instantly withdrawn funds from the smart contract back to my wallet. Bot doesn't have any additional fees because you're its only owner. Thanks for watching this video and for allowing me the opportunity to share this content with you. I hope it provided new insights for you and helps you to create your own source of passive income. Subscribe to my channel for the next videos about coding and Web3.